Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add frequently asked questions to Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, and then you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the new post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. And in the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add frequently asked questions to a Blogger. So first, create the content, of course. Write your questions that you want to put in the frequently asked questions. And then you need to go to, of course, new post. And of course, find where you want to, or you can go, of course, click on a post that you have. For instance, I can click on this one. And then you need to go and put in the, of course, questions. So it is pretty simple. You can go and just name it however you want. So you can name it frequently asked questions. Frequently asked questions like this. Then you can, of course, go and make it bold, make it bigger, go change the where it is and everything. And you can then put the questions down here. You can have all these, as you can see, bullet lists where you can have these them for questions and everything. Then when you create it, you can just go and click on preview to check out how it looks. And if you're satisfied, you can then go and click on publish to publish your, of course, frequently asked questions blog. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.